Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add an ICS calendar file to your Google Calendar using your phone. Let's get started. So, here is the thing, the Google Calendar mobile app doesn't let you upload ICS file directly, but don't worry, we will show you the easiest workaround using Safari or any browser on your phone. Open Safari and go to the calendar.google.com. Tap the A icon in the address bar and select Request Desktop Type. This will open the full version of Google Calendar just like on a computer. Now sign in with your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once you are in Google Calendar's desktop, tap the gear icon at the top right, choose Settings on the left top, Import and Export. Tap Import. Now upload your ICS file. If the file is saved in your iCloud Drive or Files app, tap Choose File and find the file and select it. With the calendar you want to add it to, then tap Import. And that's it. After a few seconds, all events from the ICS file will show now in your Google Calendar. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.